and January 2018 has started very well for me because Guys, this is Mike from Mike's Movies with an advert for Model Railways Unlimited, my new dedicated model railway channel. Now we're currently featuring a very special series over there, parts 1, 2 and 3 of the Triang Blue Pullman restoration project. So why not pop on over to Model Railways Unlimited right now, following the link in this video. Cheers then. Pullman coach and the motor car that you saw there, and gradually spreading the foamy water along. Well guys, hello and welcome to part 2. As you can see, the model is still stripped down, waiting for various bits to arrive. Interesting points to cover, so that's what we're going to do now. First is desolder these wires they've added, and then we can get out the motor bogie and look at it in close up. So here is it. There we go. Can you see this? So here's the block now, and the horns fitted. Tricky thing. Oh yes, it's totally loose. Groups, the Blue Pullman Facebook group, and particularly Nick Harling and BRCW for this beautiful painting